Welcome to Bike Adventure Pro, your go-to channel for the latest in motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters, a model that could redefine entry-level motorcycling. A new chapter for Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield has always been known for its powerful, retro-styled machines. But with the rise in demand for smaller, fuel-efficient bikes, the company is now stepping into the 125 cubic centimeters segment. This move targets riders who want classic styling without the hefty engine size or price tag. Engine and performance. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is expected to feature a single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, producing around 11 to 12 horsepower. It's designed for city commuting and occasional highway rides, offering a balance between performance and efficiency. Expect a smooth 5-speed gearbox and an estimated mileage of 50 to 55 km/L, making it an economical choice. Classic design, modern touch. Staying true to its heritage, the bike carries the timeless Royal Enfield DNA, rounded headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and minimalistic styling. However, it won't lack modern features, as we anticipate LED lighting, a digital analog instrument cluster, and possibly Bluetooth connectivity. Comfort and ride quality. Despite its smaller engine, the 125 cubic centimeters will likely retain a sturdy frame and comfortable ergonomics. Expect telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, ensuring a smooth ride over potholes and rough roads. A low seat height and lightweight frame will also make it beginner-friendly. Price and competition. Royal Enfield is expected to price this bike competitively, likely around Indian rupee 1.2 lakh, $1,200 to $1,500. This puts it in direct competition with models like the Honda Shine 125, Bajaj Pulsar 125, and TVS Raider 125. However, its premium brand appeal and classic aesthetics could make it stand out. Final thoughts. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters could be the perfect blend of nostalgia and practicality. Whether you're a new rider or just looking for a stylish commuter, this bike promises to deliver. Would you consider getting one? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to Bike Adventure Pro for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest motorcycle news. See you in the next ride.